With camp oven cooking becoming so popular nowadays, more and more people are wanting to get that old collectible vintage camp oven for their collection. But I just want to help you make sure you know what you're looking for so you don't get ripped off when you are out there looking for a camp oven. I've often seen posts for camp ovens for sale that say vintage rusty camp oven, but in all honesty, it's just a Chinese made camp oven that's a bit rusty, and maybe the seller didn't know anything about it and they've just assumed that. Just like if you don't know if it's vintage, you've assumed it's old because it's rusty. Alright, here's my tips to identifying a vintage camp oven. Just remember, the video is not for identifying which maker made the camp oven, it's just the difference between the two. Asian made camp ovens usually have flat lids, a tapered teardrop handle, a plain wire bail, flat horizontal ears with holes, and often don't have legs. Vintage camp ovens have dome lids, an even thin lid handle on both sides, and often joint in the middle, blacksmith made bails, vertical ears like our human ears, and will have legs unless they've been cut off in some part of its lifetime. Well, there you go guys, there's my tips to identifying a vintage camp oven. Now just remember, any camp oven will do its job, but if you are looking for an old one and you can't find it, I recommend checking out Billman's. They make Australian made camp ovens that are similar to the old style, but they come with customized lids if you pay a little bit extra, and you can keep them in the family as an heirloom. Check them out, the link will be in the description. Now if you're looking for camp oven recipes, check out my website. I have over 50 camp oven recipes and lots of how-to articles for anyone new to camp oven cooking, or even people who have been doing it for a long time. Anyway guys, happy cooking. I'm Mick, the camp oven cook. Camp ovens are really collectible, and I can't even remember what my script was saying there. Hang on, let me think about it. Subscribe to my videos to see more videos, or even follow me on social media. Happy cooking!